All right, we got an awesome new flame lighter here. This is a precision jet flame lighter, and I'm super excited to work with it. You can see on the top, you have the torch flame, you got the fire lock switch, ignition button, refilling valve, and flame adjustment wheel at the bottom. And guys, you didn't come here to see this specifically other than it working. Check out the size. A normal torch right down below, and then you have this flame torch here. Let's go ahead and get it open and see what exactly we are working with. Okay. Woo! This thing's gonna be cool. I can already feel it. Feel like I got like a lightsaber in my hands. Super sweet. Super sweet. So on the side, you got locking, just like that. You have your start button. Okay. Very, very cool. Let's go ahead and see what the rest is. Flame adjustment wheel. Where's that at? Oh, flame adjustment wheel, switching it right here. So plus to minus. So this is the minus is all the way and plus on the other side. And it doesn't come filled with any butane, but good news is I have butane ready to go because you guys are wanting to see a show here. So let's see what we're working with. What you want to do is flip this guy upside down. Okay, should be filled. Couple clicks. Woo-hoo! Check out that flame. All right, now cool news is that's all the way open. You can, if I'm not mistaken, you can lock it off in the ignition. So if you need to, but that thing is torching hot. Okay, you do have the ability to go lower. Okay, you have the ability to go lower on the flame, and you saw that right there. So lower on the flame and all the way hot, however you want to. But remember, when you go super low, it will cut off. But at the end of the day, this thing is super sweet. AlpCraft has an awesome torch here. This thing is going to be great when it comes to actually starting fires, out camping, and doing all the fun stuff that we like to do. But guys, at the end of the day, you know what we always say, you got to have a ton of fun. Check that bad boy out.